Guys, welcome back. This is your yesterday, today, and tomorrow reading. So these are my new oracle cards. These are from Denise Lynn, Sacred Destiny Oracle. So we're going to try them out with you guys. I've had them charging and clearing. I have my selenite on them to clear them. So just as a reminder, this weekend, if you do have any crystals or cards that you want cleared during the full moon's a perfect time to do it. So even though this reading is timeless, the time that I am recording it and posting it for, it is for Friday, February 26th, 2021, which means we have a full moon on Saturday. So I just wanted to use this time to remind you guys to put your crystals and your cards out under the moonlight. And even if there's fog or clouds or rain, the energy is still, the energy still comes through. So don't think that, oh, well, you know, it's cloudy or it's raining or, you know, you can't see the moon. That's fine. The energy of the full moon will work its way through the clouds. Okay. Let's see what's coming through for those of you guys here on my channel for yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday, blessings. Hold that up for you. Today, freedom. And tomorrow, diligence. Tell me that doesn't look like, well, I don't know where you guys are watching from, but this looks like, I hope you guys can see it. I'll post a close-up of the picture. But it looks like the hill from the Mesa going to Oceano here in California, Central Coast. And just looking at all the farmland, that's the first thing that it reminded me of. Okay. So, yesterday, I know you guys can't see these, but I already showed it to you guys. So, bear with me. So, what can we learn from yesterday? Blessings. So, this tree, this bird is on a cherry blossom tree. So learn from your blessings, right? Acknowledge your blessings. So the song that comes to mind, I've been full of songs today. I've been breaking out in song. I can't sing, but you know, at least I can't sing well. Everybody can sing, but I don't have a voice for it. But I've been breaking out in song all day. So the song that comes to mind is, I believe it's Garth Brooks. Some of God's greatest gifts are unanswered prayers. So even if you were praying and praying and praying and praying for something to happen or trying to manifest something to happen and it didn't happen, it's still a blessing. It's still a blessing in disguise. You just can't see it right now, but you will. One day you will. So what to embrace for today is freedom. So when I got the cards, I was looking in the book and I happened to see this one, right? I flipped to this page and it says that the swallow bird, lots of cultures believe that the swallow birds are the birds that carry the souls up to heaven after somebody passes. And a lot of sailors would get the swallows tattooed on them. And I feel like going like this because my my I don't even know what to call him. My ex-fiance, my children's daddy, baby daddy. Um, he had swallows on his chest. Um, but the sailors would get them tattooed on, so that way if for some reason their boat capsized or they drowned or something, that the birds, they felt protected because the birds would carry their souls up to heaven. So that to me is I didn't know that. So that was really cool for me to flip to that page and see the meaning behind the swallow birds. So what to embrace for today? Freedom. Freedom of unwanted thoughts, freedom of being trapped in your mind, freedom of fear, and then how to prepare for tomorrow is diligence, right? So this to me is getting a bird's eye view, right? Almost like the observer in the wisdom of the oracle, right? Taking a step back and seeing things from up above, seeing the big picture, and be diligent about what it is that you want. Okay. And I know I normally don't do this, but I felt called to do so. So I'm going to do a mini reading along with those three. Some messages for you guys. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. All right. I feel my face turning flesh. Getting rosy. Transformation happening. And victory. And might as well. Knight of Wands. Right? Sure, why not? Jeez. Six of Cups, something coming back around. Oh my God. The bottom of this deck is like loud. Wheel of Fortune, endings and new beginnings. Healing. Okay. So let me see. So something from your past, possibly your childhood, is being healed. And you get to have that. To me, I know they're two different horses. Maybe they're not. I don't know. But to me, this is the guy who's on his way home, right? He just won. And then this is the actual, like, parade through the town where people are cheering you on. This is destined. And very much healing, right? Healing with the blessings. Freedom, right? With the transformation. You know, these ones I feel go with the diligence. Right, and these two just go with all of them. Huh, you can't even see the... I put that one with those. I put the transformation, the death card, with the freedom card. And then I put the two victory cards with you being diligent. And then these two cards. Right, this is destined. This is fated to happen. Your freedom, right, and your blessings are destined to happen because you've been so diligent. So you, right? Seven of Wands, standing up uh, for what you believe in, even though there's people fighting against you, right? The Five of Wands. The opportunity is a Hierophant, right? Being a wise leader or a teacher. The universe wants you to know to take good care of yourself. What's happening underneath? Taking a leap of faith. Wow. Okay. Ooh. You guys see the light? The light flickered. Okay. So standing up for what you believe in, regardless of what other people are saying. The Five of Wands is the other people. Because you're going to be the leader. The universe wants you to know to take good care of yourself. Take better care of yourself. Take that leap of faith. It could be because you took the leap of faith. In the past, there was somebody being sneaky or undermining or gaslighting you. But you stood up for what you believed in and you were diligent. Right? In the near future, this is the Knight in Shining Armor card, right? Somebody is going to come in their white horse and sweep you off your feet. So how you're being seen, very passionate, very driven. The Queen of Wands is lights keep flickering. The Queen of Wands, very passionate. She's also an entrepreneur. She knows what she wants and she's going to get it. So in the near future, you need to take some time to rest and relax. Right? Some meditation, some R&R. Hopes and fears. You're scared that it's going to take forever, right? The Pentacles they're very slow, super slow. They're the slowest ones. The Outcome card is the Magician. You have everything you need inside you. You don't need to look anywhere else but within. Right? The Four of Swords, the healing card. Go within. You have everything you need. To clarify the Outcome card, so I have celebration, right? Time to celebrate. Ace of Cups. Something that's going to make your heart happy. It could also be, so it's a potential for a new beginning, right? Either rekindling a love, or especially with the Six of Cups, rekindling a love, somebody you knew back when you were younger. Or it could just be something that makes your heart happy, that's coming in, that you're manifesting. And then we have the Temperance. It's going to be very balanced, which is great. The Fool's not really a timing card. Let's see if I can get a timing card for you guys. I need a timing for them, please. The Moon. So, one of two things. It's either going to be by the full moon, which is this Saturday, or within a month, right? One lunar cycle. So, that's your timing card. see if I can grab these. What your heart needs to hear. Does our heart need to hear today? I was telling a friend of my daughter's that I keep getting the same cards over and over and over again. And he tells me, well, why don't you just take them out? Once you use them, just take them out. And I told him, no, because what if they need to hear it again? What if it didn't get through the first time? And he's like, oh, okay. So get it through so I can pick a new card. I feel like I keep picking the same 5 cards. What does your heart need to hear? You deserve a high five. Jeff, there's your 5 again. More people should be like you. Let's do one more. You're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. So, this is a very extended yesterday, today, and tomorrow. If you like this extended version, please let me know either in the comments or on either one of my social media places. Let me know if you like it short and sweet or if you like the extended versions. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day. You guys have the power to do so. And I'll see you guys in the next one.